Charles Darwin is one of the most influential figures in the history of science. He is best known for his theory of evolution by natural selection, which revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. Darwin's work has had a profound impact on biology, anthropology, and other fields, and his ideas continue to be debated and explored today. Early life and education. Charles Robert Darwin was born on February 12, 1809, in Shrewsbury, England. He was the fifth of 6 children and came from a prominent family of doctors and scientists. His grandfather, Erasmus Darwin, was a renowned naturalist and philosopher, and his father, Robert Darwin, was a successful physician. Darwin attended the University of Edinburgh and later studied at Christ's College, Cambridge, where he developed a keen interest in natural history. He graduated in 1831 with a degree in theology, but his passion was for science, particularly geology and natural history. The Beagle voyage. In 1831, Darwin was offered the opportunity to join the HMS Beagle on a scientific expedition around the world. The voyage would last for 5 years and take Darwin to South America, the Galapagos Islands, Australia, and other locations. The experience would prove to be transformative for Darwin and would provide him with the data and observations he needed to develop his theory of evolution. During the voyage, Darwin collected specimens of plants, animals, and fossils, and made detailed observations of the geology and natural history of the regions he visited. He was particularly struck by the diversity of life on the Galapagos Islands, where he observed variations in the beaks of finches and other birds that he later realized were adaptations to different environmental conditions. The theory of evolution by natural selection. After returning from the Beagle voyage, Darwin spent many years analyzing the data he had collected and developing his theory of evolution by natural selection. He published his ideas in a book, On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection, in 1859. The theory of evolution by natural selection is based on the idea that species evolve over time through a process of natural selection. This process occurs when individuals with traits that are better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce than individuals with less favorable traits. Over time, these advantageous traits become more common in the population, leading to the evolution of new species. Darwin's theory was controversial when it was first published, as it challenged the prevailing belief in a fixed and unchanging hierarchy of life. However, it was quickly recognized as a major breakthrough in our understanding of the natural world, and it has since become one of the most widely accepted scientific theories. Other contributions to science. In addition to his work on evolution, Darwin made many other important contributions to science. He conducted extensive research on the biology of plants and animals, and he made important discoveries in fields such as geology, botany, and zoology. One of Darwin's most significant contributions was his work on sexual selection, which he explored in his book The Descent of Man. He argued that the evolution of secondary sexual characteristics, such as the elaborate plumage of male birds or the antlers of male deer, is driven by competition for mates. This idea helped to explain many puzzling aspects of animal behavior and has since been supported by a wealth of empirical evidence. Darwin's legacy. Charles Darwin's legacy is vast and far-reaching. His work has had a profound impact on our understanding of the natural world and has transformed the way we think about biology, anthropology, and other fields. His ideas have influenced countless scientists, philosophers, and writers, and have sparked debates and controversies that continue to this day. Perhaps Darwin's greatest legacy is his commitment to the scientific method and his insistence on evidence-based reasoning. He was relentless in his pursuit of the truth and was willing to challenge conventional wisdom when the evidence demanded it. His work on evolution by natural selection is a shining example of the power of scientific inquiry and the importance of rigorous experimentation and observation. Darwin's influence extends far beyond the realm of science. His ideas have had a profound impact on culture, literature, and even religion. His theory of evolution challenged traditional religious beliefs and sparked debates about the relationship between science and faith that continue to this day. Despite the controversies and debates that his work has sparked, Darwin's contributions to science and our understanding of the natural world cannot be overstated. He was a brilliant and visionary scientist who changed the course of human history and left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire and challenge us today. Thank you for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel Knowledge Hub.